Hi there. So, I've got a rap, right, and this rap is called Rap to the Government. So, I've made this up myself. This is off my own back, and I hope you all enjoy this piece of music. I will start the backing tune. It's one of those raps what is pretty new to the scene. I've chose Angelic. It's my turn. Alright, listen. So you think you can pay them, but with whose money? Why start to worry about the hands in fate when right before your eyes it becomes too late? I've learned to ignore that when my feelings down. I won't let vicious people fool around. It's my turn. Right, so it's like, wait a minute, let's cut the shit. You think you can own them? You can't own yourselves. It's about time someone took control of the situation. Is that you? Say I'm the master of your problems. I'm the answer in disguise. I'm the reason you're still alive, but the writer of the key to life. It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn, my turn, my turn. It's my turn. So, yeah, I can rhyme as well, but I use spell checker to spell. But the spell checker to spell, and is that as a magic spell or just code? Make the wrong move and you're fucked. So, pay them $1 million, pay them $1 billion. I'll double it in agreement with the Crown copyright which I own and agree to. So, there is no, there is no doubt in my mind, right, that this here is what I have created, this track, this is no God, right? This is no controlled brain. It's not the devil, it's the pain of the choices the people are having to make to keep you. P.s. It's not war, neither. It's music, so get over it. See that? See I've got broken arms? Fucking try the cunt out. It's my turn. It's my turn. I won't let vicious people Well, tune out. I hope that gets blasted everywhere.